It's falling down! Oh no, it's falling down!
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
But don't worry, Splash has a plan. Let's get some help.
First, we'll need strong wood for the base. I know just the spot.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay.
Now let's make it extra strong with iron and steel.
Build it up with iron and steel, and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel.
Almost there. Let's add the final planks across the top.
Before celebrating, someone had to test if it was really strong.
Yay!
It's strong! It's standing tall, and it's not going anywhere.
Soon, the whole town lined up to cross the newly rebuilt bridge. We really did it, team! Working together made all the difference. Splash, when something breaks or falls down, working together with friends can build it back even better.
Thanks for building with us today. What would you build with your friends?
Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new adventure every week. See you next time, friends!
Thank you for visiting Bloop Town.